selfie stick? Drop it down in the comment section. If you're around Philippines, I can send it to you. If you're outside Philippines, I can. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's again Abiodun as usual. So if this is the first time you're seeing this face on your screen, thank you for clicking and welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing, and if you're returning, thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys are the best. Yeah, so today's video is going to be an unboxing video. Yeah, I got something online and it's a mystery box, so I don't know what's inside the package. I ordered this from Lazada. Yeah, so we are going to be unboxing it together. I don't know what's inside. It's actually a mystery box, but what I'm expecting from what they told me online was it's written on it that mystery pouch gadget with 100% chance to get accessories, plus it's 7% chance to get a brand new Oppo phone, cash, Samsung, Vivo, or Realme. So let's see. This costs 162 pesos. I don't know if you can see it. It's the amount train. Yeah, look at it. 162 pesos. So I'm going to see what these people packaged for 162 pesos. If it's not worth it, hey God. Let me see what's inside. Okay, I saw selfie stick. Hey Jesus. They tried. I'll go and check the price of selfie stick. They tried, but I think I now have another selfie stick. Or I'll be giving it away. If you want the selfie stick, just drop a comment and I'll give it, because I already have one. So what again? This light for keyboard. I don't know what it's called, but I know that it's to type when it's dark. You just plug it to your keyboard and the light will be shining. So I need this one. Thank you very much, Lazada. Well, so that's all for 162 pesos. They tried. Like, I was expecting lipstick. The first time I bought mystery box, what I got was just lipstick. But this time around, they gave me selfie stick and keyboard light. They tried. Yeah, so thank you to Lazada. And what's the name of the shop? The name of the shop, they wrote "You are lucky." So that's it. Thank you for watching. And if you watched to this point, you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, like, share, you know the drill. Yeah, so if there's any video suggestion, drop it down at the comment section. If there's anything you want me to talk about, drop it down at the comment section. And don't forget, if you need the selfie stick, drop it down at the comment section. If you're around Philippines, I can send it to you. If you're outside Philippines, I can't see. Bye.